Here are events that happened today in history. In 1825, with the support of Argentina's military, Uruguay declares independence from Brazil. In 1875, Englishman Matthew Webb becomes the first to swim across the English Channel. In 1939, The Wizard of Oz, one of the first feature films shot in color, opens in theaters. In 1944, Paris is liberated by the Allies after 4 years of German occupation during World War II. In 1985, 20-year-old Dwight Gooden becomes the youngest pitcher to win 20 games in a season. In 2009, Ted Kennedy, the liberal lion of the U.S. Senate, dies at age 77 from a brain tumor. In 2018, Vietnam veteran and U.S. Senator John McCain dies of cancer in Arizona at age 81.